Hello everyone, myself Pranit. Let us discuss about today unlocking the power of template tag. The template tag is a powerful tool in the full stack development, allowing developers to create the reusable HTML structures that can be easily customized and integrated into their applications. Syntax and usage of the template tags. Defining the template, referencing the template, and encapsulating content. Defining the template. The template tag is used to define the reusable HTML structure which is contained with the tag within the tag. Referencing the template. The template content can be referenced and inserted into the DOM using JavaScript, allowing for the dynamic rendering. Encapsulating content. The template tag helps to keep the HTML structure separate from the application logic, prompting, code organization, and maintainability. Tag and description. HTML tag declares the web page to be written in the HTML, and a header delimits the page's header. Title defines the title not displayed on the page body. Delimits the page's body. Delimits the level of n heading. B tag B sets the boldface. So tag I sets the italic center on the page's horizontally, and tag UL brackets and unordered list. OL brackets a numbered list. LIA brackets an item in an ordered or numbered list. BR forces a line break there. P starts a paragraph. HR insert the horizontal rule. Advantages of using the template tag. There are three advantages of using the template tag: reusability, separation of concern, efficiency. Reusability templates allow developers to create the modular reusable HTML components that can be easily integrated into the different parts of an application. And separation of concerns. The template tag helps separation the HTML structure from the application logic, making the code base more organized and easier to maintain. Efficiency. Templates can be pre-compiled, reducing the amount of runtime processing required and improving the application performance. Creating a reusable HTML template. Define the template. Create an HTML structure within the template tag, including the placeholder for the dynamic content. Render the template. Use JavaScript to select the template and insert into the DOM, replacing the placeholders with the dynamic data. Customize the template. Apply styles and additional functionalities to the render tem- template to create the full-fledged UI component. Here is the diagram for the creating the reusable HTML template. Here is a sign up page for the creating template tag. Binding data to the template. Dynamic content, data processing, two-way building, efficiency rendering. First one, dynamic content. Placeholders in the template can be bound to dynamic data, allowing the content to be customized for each instance of the template. Data processing. JavaScript can be used to pass data objects to the template, which are then rendered into the placeholder elements. Two-way binding. Some framework like Vue.js and allow for the two-way data binding, where changes in the template are reflected in the underlying data model. Efficiency Efficient rendering. The template tag can be pre-compiled rendering, reducing the amount of runtime processing required for data binding and improving the application performance. Here is some word form and text, rich text, data checkbox and number. Conditional rendering with the template tag. Placeholder conditions. First one, conditional logic can be added to the template using the JavaScript to determine which placeholder should be rendered based on the data. Second one, template switching. Different templates can be selected and rendered based on the data, allowing for the more complex and dynamic UI structures. So, enhanced user experience. Conditional rendering enables the creation of responsive and adaptive user interface trial to the specific need of the user. This is a demo showing the several ways to implement the conditional rendering in React login and logout. Looping and interaction with the template tag. Array interaction, repeated rendering. Array interaction, the template tag can be used to render a list of items with the contents of the each item being defined with the templates. Repeated rendering by iterating over an array of the data that the template can be rendering multiple times, creating a dynamic and scalable UI. Grid-like structure. The template tag can be used to create grid-like layouts where each cell is a separate instance of the template. Dynamic content looping and interactions with the template tag allows for your creation of highly dynamic and adaptable user interface. Name. Best practice for using the template tag. Keep templates modular. Design a template to the model self-contained and reusable, focusing on the specific UI components or functionality. Use placeholder wisely. Carefully consider the placeholder in the template, ensuring the interactive and easily to bind the data, optimizing performance. Pre-compiler count templates and use the efficient data binding techniques to minimize the runtime processing, maintain the separation of concerns, avoiding the missing template and logic and application logic. Keep the code base organized in the maintainable. Thank you.